Jai Hind to all. Myself, Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor in Department of EC at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So, today I will tell you about the subject of information theory and coding. Its AKTU code is KEC 075. And our lecture title is today's lecture title is Joint and Conditional Entropy Part 1. Earlier I told you about the information. What is the meaning of information? How information is related with probability. If I have to find out some information for any event or anything, so I should know about the probability. It means possibilities. Okay. तो यदि मुझे probability पता है, then I will find out the information, because the information of any event depends upon the probability of that event. Okay. Then if several informations are there from several sources, then you can also calculate overall for a system average information, and that average information per individual message is called entropy. So, that is I told you in my last lecture ki what is the meaning of information, how it is related with probability of the event, and if we relate this information with the entropy of the system, then how we relate. Okay. So, that I told you, and next we will see about the joint and conditional entropy part 1. So, at first what recall that I told in my last lecture, the average information. At first I told you about the information कि information क्या होती है. So, information is related with probability of that message or that event, and it is always related with probability of the event inversely. Okay. This is this one. Okay. So, probability of मान लो ये k है, so it is this. So, at first I told you about the information that is related with probability, and its relationship is in inverse form. Okay. Now, this average information, if we take, so if we take the all the information from all the sources, all the messages, and we can calculate the average information. Okay. So, average information per individual message is called entropy, and we can represent entropy by H. H से show करते हैं. So, if I have source, I am having a source of x, so H of x is called entropy of the source. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Entropy of source. And what is the formula of H of x? So, its formula of H of x is equal to what? Summation k 1 to m p x, okay, or p k into log of 1 upon p k, or it will be minus k 1 to m p k into log of p k. Base of 2 always you have to take, because the entropy is coming from the information, and the unit of information is bits. Or if your unit of information bits, okay, so always what you have to take base of log 2 only. आपको जो भी वैल्यू निकालनी है वो log of base 2 पे निकालनी है, क्योंकि why? Because you are taking the unit of information in bits. If you are taking your information in bits, so always you have to take what? Base of log 2. But base of log 2 calculation is not so easy. You cannot calculate directly it. Okay. That is why आपको क्या करना होगा वहाँ पे? इसको 10 पे या e पे निकालना होगा. तो if you want to calculate this log of 2 on the base of 10, okay, सो आपको क्या करना है, log of base 10 पे उसकी वैल्यू निकालो एंड दैट वैल्यू विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 0.3010. वाई? बिकॉज 0.3010 जो होती है वो log 2 की ही वैल्यू होती है, क्या बेस पे, 10 बेस पे. और you can calculate or you want to calculate on the base of E, so you can calculate that quantity on the base of E and divided by 0.693, क्योंकि log 2 की वैल्यू on the base of E क्या होती है, 0.693. So, in this way you can calculate the value of any number on the base of 2 by using base of log 10 or base of log E. Okay. So, that you have to remember always. Okay. Next, I told you about the importance of entropy in digital communication system. So, we refer all the entropies in terms of communication system, in terms of transmitter, receiver or channel. Okay. So, in terms of one dimensional or two dimensional system. Now, I use the formula of H, what it is, H is equal to minus of K 1 2 जहाँ तक हम जा रहे हैं वो m p k into log of base 2 p k. Okay. This is the formula of entropy. So, if you consider only two symbols like binary, binary में यही होता है ना, two symbols मतलब m is equal to 2, 1 or 0. If you are having two symbols, so probability will be one is having probability of p and another is having probability of 1 minus p. So, in the last class I told you, if I want to calculate its maximum value, the value of maximum value of entropy. Okay. For that what I did, I differentiated this H with respect to t and equate to 0. Then what I got? I got this one, this type of graph. Okay. This graph shows the relation between the entropy and probability. So, in case of binary symbols for m is equal to 2, you will get the maximum entropy value, that is 1, when p is equal to what, 1 by 2. ये हमने देखा था, in case of binary symbols our entropy will be maximum if p is equal to 1 upon 2. So, in this case our entropy formula will be H is equal to p log 1 by p plus 1 minus p log 1 upon 1 minus p. So, in terms of positive this formula will be plus ka p k log of 2 base 1 upon p k. So, in this way we can calculate this one. Or if you differentiate this H with respect to p, then you will get the maximum value of entropy at p is equal to 0.5 or 1 by 2. Okay, that you will get. Okay. So, you can verify this also here. What? In this formula, if you put p is equal to 0, then H is equal to 0. If you put in this formula p is equal to 1, then you will get H is equal to 0 again. So, in case of p is equal to 0 and p is equal to 1, your entropy will be what? यहाँ हो रहा है तो ग्राफ पे भी देख सकते हो, 0 पे क्या आ रही है, 0 पे भी H 0 और 1 पे भी H 0. But what I did in last lecture, p is equal to 1 upon 2, our H is 1. So, similarly here if I put here p is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So, I will get it is equal to 1. So, it can be verified from here also. What? You will get maximum entropy value in case of binary symbols, in case of m is equal to 2, your entropy will be maximum. So, this is the one case, okay, of binary symbols. Similarly, this type of observation or cases we can generalize for another number of symbols. Okay. For symbol of m symbols. Okay. Now, next case, when all the symbols are equiprobable. अब बहुत सारे सिंबल हमने ले लिए, m सिंबल हैं और सबकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, इक्वल है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to Pk is equal to 1 upon k. Now, your symbols are more here and all symbols are having equal probabilities. So, H maximum is equal to what will happen, minus k 1 upon k log of 1. K number of messages हैं, total symbols हैं. So, total number of symbols k, सबकी probability कितनी, 1 by k और log of 1 by k. If you solve this, you will get log 2 k, log of k. So, if you are having several number of messages like k number of symbols or messages, so your maximum entropy will be H maximum is equal to log of k on base of 2. So, H maximum is equal to log of k on base of 2. Okay. और log of 2 ये फॉर्मूला लिख देता हूँ मैं. 2 पे कोई भी वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है तो आइदर यू कैन टेक बाय यूजिंग log of base 10 और बाय यूजिंग log of base e. सो log of base 10 से निकालना है तो 10 ऑफ दिस अपॉन 0.3010. वाई आई एम टेकिंग 0.3010, बिकॉज ये क्या है, ये log 2 की ही वैल्यू है, कितनी बेस पे, 10 बेस पे 0.3010. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट. तो log ऑफ बेस 10 पे उस वैल्यू को निकालो और डिवाइड करो 0.3010 से. सिमिलरली यू कैन कैलकुलेट log ऑफ बेस 2, कोई भी वैल्यू y निकालनी है हमको. सो log ऑफ बेस e पे उसकी वैल्यू निकालो और डिवाइड करो 0.693 से. क्यों, क्योंकि log e की बेस पे 2 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है, 0.693. ओके. So, in this way you can calculate any quantity on the base of log 2 by using base of log 10 और e. 10 पे निकालना है तो 10 पे निकाल के 0.3010 से डिवाइड कर दें. e पे निकालना है तो you can divide by 0.693. So, this I am taking from the formula, तो मन से नहीं लिया मैंने. ओके. ओके. So, I hope it is clear to everybody. Okay. So, in another example, if in the question some messages and their probabilities are given to you, then you can calculate the entropy of the system. Okay. So, in this example, in this question, 4 messages M1, M2, M3 and M4 are given to you and their corresponding probabilities 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 and 1 by 4 also given to you. Now, you have to determine the entropy of the system. So, 4 messages are given to you and their probabilities are given to you. Simply you have to put these value in the formula and you can calculate the entropy of the system. So, here H is equal to what you can take, your formula is summation from कहाँ से k 1 कितने में से 1 to 4. So, 1 to 4 pk into log of base 2 1 upon pk. So, from this formula, okay, or you also you can use this formula, okay, minus of summation k 1 to 4 pk into log of base 2 pk. इससे भी आप यूज कर सकते. So, only you have to put the value of probabilities here like 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Okay. Simply this P1, P2, P3, P4 values and you can calculate final entropy of the system. So, it will be what this in this example, in this question the calculation are very simple. Okay. Easily you can calculate. If you put the values here and putting the values here and calculate the value of log, then you will get what? It will be 7/4 bits per message, but always you have to take the base of log is 2 only. ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि base of log जो लेना है वो क्या लेना है 2. Always remember it. Okay. So, log of base 2 it is not easy, okay, because generally we are using base of log 10 या base of log e. So, log base 2 पे किसी वैल्यू को निकालना है बाय log of base 10. सो log of base 10 पे उसकी वैल्यू निकालो, ओके, और डिवाइड करो 0.3010. अब 3010 है क्या? वाई आई एम राइटिंग 3010? बिकॉज 0.3010 क्या है? इट्स अ वैल्यू ऑफ log 2 on the base of 10. That's why I am taking 0.3010. So, log 2 पे किसी की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो you can calculate, you can determine that value on the base of log 10 and divided by 0.3010. Similarly, you can calculate base of log e. So, you can calculate log of base of e, that value, and divided by 0.693. Why I am taking 0.693? क्यों लिया मैंने? Because 0.693 क्या है? 0.693 log 2 की वैल्यू है on base of e. So, from the formula I am taking these values. In this way you can calculate or you can determine any value on the base of log 2 either by log base of 10 or log base of e. If you want to calculate on log of base of 10, then you can divide by 0.3010. If you want to calculate on the base of log e, so you can divide by 0.693. So, in this way you can calculate the your parameters here, but always you have to remember in information theory and coding you have to use base of log 2 only. Okay. In another example, determine the entropy of previous example, last example of for equiprobable message. अब मालूम है कितने एग्जाम्पल में क्या था? 4 मैसेज थे, M1, M2, M3, M4. क्या बोल रहे हैं? इक्वल प्रॉबिलिटी, मतलब जिनकी प्रॉबिलिटी क्या हो? सेम हो. इसका प्रॉबिलिटी कितनी हो? 4 मैसेज की बराबर लेनी है, कितनी होगी? 1/4. So, if probabilities are same and now I am using the formula for 4 messages are there, their probabilities are same 1/4 log 2 1/4. So, it will be 2 bits. तो ये भी एक वो है 2 bits, एंट्रोपी विल बी 2 bits पर मैसेज. और 4 मैसेजेस उनको एनकोड कैसे कर सकते हो? इन टर्म्स ऑफ 2 bits. So, एंट्रोपी विल बी 2 bits पर मैसेज. 2 bits combination means 00, 01, 10 and 11. So, in this way everything is related in each other, you can determine. So, if you are having entropy of 2 bits per message, then you can encode 4 messages of 2 bit combinations 00, 01, 10, 11. Okay. So, I think it will be clear to everybody. Now, another parameter, the important parameter of information theory, that is information rate. Always we talk every time our computer speed, our LAN speed is 100 Mbps, 100 kbps, 50 Mbps, बोलते नहीं बोलते? ये क्या है? This is the rate of information. In communication, our information is communicating. So, at which rate? At rate, the rate at which our communication is going on, that is called information rate. And information rate we can represent it, we can represent by R, and R is equal to small r into h. So, information rate of information theory is defined as the product of rate of messages and entropy of the system. सो कैपिटल R इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल r इंटू एच। स्मॉल r क्या है, मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे स्मॉल r इज व्हाट, सिंबल और मैसेज रेट। तो स्मॉल r की यूनिट क्या होगी हमारी, इसकी यूनिट तो हो गई हमारी r है, इंफॉर्मेशन रेट बिट्स पर सेकेंड। स्मॉल r की क्या होगी, दिस इज मैसेज रेट, मैसेज पर सेकेंड। और h की क्या होती है हमारी, बिट्स पर मैसेज। सो यू कैन वेरीफाई आल्सो हेयर। सो इफ यू सॉल्व दिस स्मॉल r or and h, so you will get message and message will be cancelled out and bits per second, and this is the unit of rate of information. So rate of information is very very important, because at this rate our information is going on into the communication system. So this is our rate of information, its unit is bits per second, and it will be product of rate of messages and entropy of the system. So on based on this we can understand a numerical also here. So this numerical we can understand here. So this numerical says an analog signal that is band limited to 3.4 kilohertz sampled and quantized into 256 level quantizer. During sampling a guard band of 1.2 kilohertz is maintained. Determine the entropy and information rate. So आपको क्या निकालना है, एक तो निकालना है एंट्रोपी और एक आपको क्या निकालना है, इंफॉर्मेशन रेट, दैट इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मैसेज रेट एंड एंट्रोपी. सो एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन एंट्रोपी ऑफ द सिस्टम. सो एंट्रोपी का मतलब क्या है? एंट्रोपी का मतलब है नाउ वी आर हैविंग व्हाट 256 लेवल क्वांटाइजर. कितने 256 क्वांटाइजर हैं आपके लेवल, मतलब 256 256 आपके क्या है मैसेजेस. उतने लेवल में आप क्वांटाइज करो सिग्नल को. सो एंट्रोपी हाउ यू कैलकुलेट? सो 256 लेवल क्वांटाइजर मतलब क्या हुआ, एच निकालेंगे, टोटल कितने मैसेज हैं 256 and every having 1/256 probability. So H is equal to total 256, average having 1/256 probability and log to 256. If you solve this, then you will get 8 bits per sample. So this will be your entropy. Now the term is small r, for small r. Message rate, the rate of message, क्या रेट है मैसेज के कम्युनिकेशन की. सो इट विल बी, वी नो इट इज बैंड लिमिटेड सिग्नल, एक की 3.4 है तो ट्वाइस ऑफ 3.4 प्लस हमने गार्ड बैंड भी लगाया कितना का 1.2 किलोहर्ट्ज. सो इफ यू सॉल्व देन यू विल गेट 8 किलोहर्ट्ज. नाउ योर आर विल बी 8 किलोहर्ट्ज और 8 into 10 to the power 3 samples per second. What is the formula information rate? Capital R is equal to small r into h. So you put here, so you will get 64 kbps. So your information rate for this particular example will be 64 kbps. How I calculate? Firstly I calculate entropy, then I calculate rate of information, then product of this R and H will be the information rate. So in this way in information theory you can calculate rate of information. That's very very important for us. Okay. Now entropy I will tell you regarding the entropy of the system. So how we correlate entropy. Okay. If you are having P of x then H of x, P of f then H of y you can calculate. So these is the single messages, single individual entropy corresponding you will get. This is our communication system, this is our transmitter, this is our receiver. But if you combine this x and y, transmitter and receiver, then you will get Px. Because बिना probability के तो आप कुछ भी निकाल नहीं पाओगे. So if you combine this x and y one dimensional data, then you will get 2-dimensional probability matrix, that is Px phi. This is called joint probability matrix. So, corresponding you will get joint entropy, that is our H x y. Similarly, P y by x and P x upon y. These are conditional probability matrix. You can calculate H y by x or H x upon y. Okay. So, joint entropy in this way we can understand here, H x upon y, H y by x we can understand here, and these are the reference. So, thank you very much. Goodbye.